It can be a challenge to make all of your design dreams come true in a small home. But there are a few techniques that can make your space feel larger than it is. So here are 12 tips you can use to make your space appear more bigger. 1. Use light colors. Light colors, such as white, beige, and pastel shades, reflect more light and create the illusion of a brighter and larger space. Darker colors can make a space feel smaller and more closed off. Two. Minimalism. Keeping your furniture and decor simple and clutter-free can create an airy feel in your space. This approach can also make it easier to maintain a clean and organized environment. 3. Use mirrors. Mirrors reflect light and create an illusion of depth, making a space feel larger. A large mirror hung on the wall or furniture with mirrored surfaces can be particularly effective in creating this illusion. 4. Let natural light in. Natural light can make a small space feel bigger and more open. Using sheer curtains or blinds can allow natural light to enter your space, while still providing privacy and light control. 5. Keep the floor visible. A clear floor creates a sense of space. Avoid placing too many objects on the floor. And choose furniture with exposed legs, such as a sofa with raised legs or a coffee table with a glass top. 6. Use multifunctional furniture. Furniture that can serve multiple purposes, such as a storage ottoman or a sofa bed. It can be particularly useful in a small space where storage and versatility are important. 7. Hang curtains high. Hanging curtains near the ceiling can create the illusion of higher ceilings and a larger space. This technique works especially well in spaces with low ceilings. 8. Use vertical space. Utilizing wall-mounted shelves, tall bookcases, and other vertical storage solutions can free up floor space. And it creates more visual interest in a small space. 9. Create zones. Dividing your space into distinct zones for different activities can make your space feel more functional and less cluttered. For example, a living area, work area, and dining area can be defined in a studio apartment or small home. 10. Choose small-scale furniture. Appropriately sized furniture can make a small space feel more open and functional. Oversized furniture can make a space feel cramped and cluttered. 11. Use lighting strategically. Using multiple light sources, such as table lamps, floor lamps, and overhead lighting. It can create a bright and inviting space. Additionally, choosing light fixtures that provide ambient, task, and accent lighting can enhance the functionality and appeal of your space. 12. Emphasize the ceiling. Drawing the eye upwards with ceiling paint, wallpaper, or a decorative light fixture. It can create the illusion of higher ceilings and a larger space. 13. Keep it clean and organized. Regularly decluttering, organizing, and cleaning your space can maintain a sense of openness and spaciousness. This can help to prevent clutter from accumulating and detracting from the appeal of your space.